This Mid-Atlantic Colonies presentation is by Ryan Austin and
Jonathan Corneliuson.
The Mid-Atlantic Colonies consisted of New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Delaware. The Quakers settled in New York, Pennsylvania, Delaware, and New Jersey. Some were paid and others were not. And they were very tolerant of other religions. Farmers were working very hard to grow food. The Mid-Atlantic colonies specialized in grains, livestock, and fish.
We can't make or grow everything. From the New England, we get metal, tools, fish, and shipbuilding products. And from the South, we get tobacco, rice, and cotton. Geographic features include major cities, which are New York and Philadelphia, major rivers, the Delaware River and Patapsco River, and the Appalachian Mountains. Human resources are a major part of the Mid-Atlantic. They include farmers, craftsmen, blacksmiths, shoemakers, and many more. The Mid-Atlantic was welcoming to people and was tolerant to other beliefs.
The natural resources were also a major part of the Mid-Atlantic. They include wood, water, crops, iron, and many more. Thank you so much for watching our Mid-Atlantic Colonies presentation made by Ryan Austin and Jonathan Corneliuson.